it. You yourself said, if the people say I must step down, you shall comply. This is the time to comply. Because the voice of the people is the voice of God. Today, we are witnessing the beginning of a new and unfolding democracy. No one is more important than the other. We are all Zimbabweans. We want to grow our economy. We want peace in our country.